A home with so much thoughtful design, really anything you could think of for ease of everyday living was added when this home was constructed. Combine that with beautiful views and luxury finishes, and I'm so excited to welcome you to 10158 Carthay Drive. One step inside and you're greeted with smart home technology at your fingertips and the spectacular long pond view with no homes directly behind you. Electric shades surround the spacious lanai and pool area, and a beautiful fountain cascades into the spa. The thoughtful design continues in the kitchen with 2 dishwashers. In addition to the Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer, there are multiple freezer drawers. Throughout the home, you will spot one-of-a-kind Disney touches. All of the upstairs bedrooms have incredible Disney themes. Modern-day conveniences continue with 2 laundry rooms, 1 downstairs and 1 upstairs. The details are why the buyers who came through this home could all really picture themselves living here, and it's why we received multiple offers before this home even hit the market. If you are interested in buying or selling in Golden Oak, let's connect.